The fourth edition of the annual Shillong Literary Festival concluded yesterday, leaving attendees with a mix of cultural, literary and artistic memories, with a record-breaking footfall of close to 15,000 for the 3 days. The festival saw immense enthusiasm from the public. Speaking on the occasion as a chief guest, Tourism Minister Paul Lingdo called the festival the most successful event ever and also deliberated its role in promoting tourism and culture. The closing ceremony was also attended by the state guest of Meghalaya, Ambassador of Turkey, Firat Sunal.
Through literature, we learn about the dreams, struggles, and triumphs of different generations. It allows us to hear voices that have been marginalized or silenced in official histories.
Together, let us build brand Meghalaya, a brand which has already earned a space, the most sought after tourist destination in 2025.
The Shillong Literary